Hey guys, I'm from Regrob.com and today in this video we are visiting at Aryav Crosswinds project which is located in Horamavu, Bangalore. So here you can take the view of connecting road and this is the view of project from main road. This project is spread over 0.94 acres of land and consists of two number of towers with 5 floors each and total comprises of 110 numbers of units and has 64% open area. It offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It's an under construction project. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.